Hello, community. Today, we are going to see the new implementation of Workspaces in XRHub, what they are, how they are used, and how to create one from the dashboard. At the top right of the screen, you will find the Workspace option. This section consists of the selector and the Add button. You will always start with a default workspace. From this selector, you can change workspace. And when you do, XRHub updates the available content, projects, archive, and verses associated with that workspace. Now, let's create a new workspace. To do so, click the Add button with the plus sign. This pop-up window opens. In the name field, we assign the name of the workspace. And here's an important detail. If you create it with just the name, without inviting any collaborators, the workspace remains private. On the other hand, if you add guests, it is created as a team-type workspace designed for collaboration. To invite users, we write or paste their emails in this field and press Enter to add them. Once added, from this same window, you can manage permissions or roles. The viewer has access to the view. The collaborator can create and edit, and the administrator has full control of the workspace. When everything is ready, we click on Create, and the workspace is created. Quick recommendation: create workspaces by team, by area, or by client. This helps keep content organized and access controlled. And that's it. You already know how workspaces work in XRHub and how to invite users with permissions. In the next tutorial, we go to the XR Creator Studio to see the most important thing when you work as a team: version control within the workspace.